Hello and welcome to BA Survival. Today I'm going to be lighting feather sticks with a survival bracelet. So I have a survival bracelet here made out of paracord, but on the end I've attached a small ferro rod. But they're not very long, so it can be a little bit tricky to get things to light. The bigger the ferro rod, the easier it is to use because you can get more sparks, creating more heat. You can light it with such a small ferro rod. So the technique I'm going to be using then is the back of my saw. Striking a ferro rod with my knife, ferro rod in place and scraping. Well, what I'm going to do is lock my saw in place and then pull back against that with my ferro rod. And it's a technique that I've seen online, and it got me thinking, I wonder if it'd work with the little ones. And there we go, lighting little feather sticks with my Swiss Army knife and the survival bracelet. If you can light feather sticks with it, then you should be able to light most other things. They did take a little bit of scraping, but again, I think that was more down to the quality of the feather sticks. Ferro rods, yeah, you don't get many strikes. It's not going to be your everyday striker. You're going to have a normal fat, long ferro rod on you. But the little ferro rods aren't as useless as you think. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this quick little tip, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and share it with anyone else that might find it interesting. Cheers, guys.